Want to schedule a post on Thread app? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Thread. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account from which you want to schedule a post. Once you're in the home page, click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you can write any of the thread or upload any photo or the video that you want to post. Once you have written any of the thread, click on this three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the option where it says schedule. Click on it. Now from here you can schedule the post. Choose the date and time in which you want to upload. Once you have selected, click on schedule. Tap on view at the bottom of the screen. And there you go. One of your thread posts has been scheduled. Now it will automatically upload tomorrow at the time you have chosen. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.